If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update. My technical target for JASMY is actually met, and on my private sector I gave this call quite a long ago, and I've been telling you guys, like, I open up the private entries on 20 every month for mid 10 days for you to join, and I did talk about JASMY. I've talked about so many various patterns that played out perfectly well, and I'm just trying to see where that information is going to be right now. I'm not finding it. Where did it go? Where did that stupid thing go? I'm just gonna get it. Just wait for a second. Okay. Yeah. So most of the calls that I gave here has been met. Now this was JASMY, by the way. So 28th February, today's 10th of March. And I did actually say that this flag on JASMY points a 19% drop. And if you look at JASMY at that time, it was trading at nearly 0.06 almost. And the technical target is met actually. And yesterday, even if you've been looking at YouTube back to back, I've been giving you all the technical targets. Now here we go again, okay? So this is going to be the following. I told you that this is the demand box. This is where you must be holding for JASMY, okay? If you come below this green box and you start to close below the green box and backtest the green box, it's going to be really, really bad. But one thing is very, very clear. You're making almost a confirmation of a bear cross at the moment. And for me personally, I am looking for JASMY to potentially go down here. And if you do something like that and hit your head below this green box like this or close like this, then that's going to be a very big problem. Staying above the green box is okay, but if you go below the green box, you're going to have doors opened up for new lows, which is actually down here. It's marked already, so be very careful at this point of time. Now, that's one thing. The second thing is you're still making continuation patterns. Yesterday, I told you about 3 black rows, which was this one, and then another 3 black rows is printed out. Today's another one is being printed out. Bitcoin is looking for $18,700. And I do think it's still going to continue, and you potentially have this to even go down even lower at this point of time. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame if we have any more potential flags. And yes, we do have more flags. And if you look at it that way, on the 1 hour time frame, we have this flag right over here on the 1 hour. So that's going to be from there to there. You've broken out, and you can take the top to the bottom, measure the top to the bottom, and we're looking for JASMY to go down to the last area of that green box, which is 4178. So we've pretty much saved a lot. We saved a lot of money, ever 0.06 something. Been making these updates for you on the channel. Do guys always come and join our private sector. It's really good. And that's going to be, we're down 24%, and this is going to be down 30%. 30% money saved. So that's pretty much it for this JASMY video update. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.